In a world where technology moves faster every day, is your business ready to keep up and thrive? Struggling to grow in the digital world? You're not alone, but you don't have to stay stuck. We turn your digital obstacles into opportunities. From websites to SEO, we deliver impactful solutions. Your challenges drive our solutions. Your satisfaction drives our success. Let's work together and transform your business. Contact us today and start your digital transformation.